This web app is called Mirkab and is used for typing and designing with calligraphy fonts. In this tutorial, we will explain how to use this software in a simple way. To enter text into the workspace, right-click anywhere on the page. The text will appear at the point where you right-click. I will choose this spot, right-click, and start typing. You can select the text size from this section. Everything is simple. There is a basic box where you can also choose the font type. Finally, click on OK to insert the text into the workspace. To zoom in on a specific part of the page, you can use the mouse wheel. All the letters and words on the page are movable. To move a word or a letter, simply click and drag it to the desired location. When you select a word, a red frame appears around it. This means the word is in the selected state. Additionally, when a word is selected, various tools in the toolbar are activated, such as cut, copy, and delete. Moving letters and words is very simple. You can even move the dots of letters or the marks associated with them. If you want to select and move multiple letters or words together, this is also possible. Simply place the mouse cursor in a specific spot, click, and drag. All the words and letters within the red frame will be selected once you release the mouse. In this state, to move the selected words, click on one of them, hold down the mouse button, and drag it to the desired location. When you release the mouse, the words will stay in the location you place them. If you want to deselect the selected words, simply click once outside the selected area. The words will return to their normal state, and the tools activated in the toolbar will automatically deactivate. You can easily move words and letters. This software also allows you to change the shape of the letters. In future tutorials, we will talk about other parts of the software and how to modify the shape of the letters.